Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Medium for affiliate marketing. Open a Medium account, choose a buyer intent niche, and plan your affiliate links up front. Write helpful, personal posts that solve reader problems and naturally introduce products. Use clear disclosures and honest recommendations so readers trust you. Add images, headings, and a strong call to action that guides clicks to your affiliate offers. Start with content that answers real questions and leads to a product solution. Create comparison posts, tutorials, and listicles that include 1 to 3 affiliate mentions each. Use natural language and avoid hard sells. Explain why the product helped you and who it suits best. Include links in context and a final summary with a clear call to action that nudges readers toward the affiliate link. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, crisp scent that makes commutes nicer. I use it between drives and it keeps things fresh during long riding sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drive traffic by sharing posts in relevant groups, Twitter threads, and newsletters. Use tags wisely on Medium to reach interested audiences and repurpose successful posts into shorter updates. Experiment with placement of affiliate links and calls to action to learn what converts. Monitor clicks and earnings, then double down on topics that perform well to scale your affiliate revenue steadily and predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.